morning. Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. This morning we're gonna cook a quick breakfast, which is a 5-minute breakfast. We call it Spamsilog, which is spam, sinangag, or fried rice, and itlog. Now, I'll show you the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, 3 brown eggs, spam, a bell pepper, which is red, green, and yellow, and rice. We have also olive oil, salt and pepper, and we're gonna use this time kikkoman sauce. Let's go and proceed to cooking. We're gonna cook fried rice and spam at the same time. Now we'll put a little bit of olive oil, okay, and on the other side we're gonna cook this spam. Put olive oil too. This way we can cook fast, because this is very easy. In cooking this spam, don't overcook it, because it will be hard. In 1 minute that will be cooked, or even less. And then we're gonna cook the fried rice on the other side. We'll put the garlic, again, don't overcook the garlic, because when it's burnt, it will give bitter taste to your food. Or a little bit brown, and we're gonna put our red onions. I always use red onions because red onion is healthier and it tastes a lot better. We're gonna let the onions cook a little bit, and we're gonna put the rice afterwards. And here on this side, we're gonna flip this so the other side will be cooked. There you go. All right. And we're gonna give it another 30 seconds. On the other side here, it's cooked now. The onion, we're gonna put the rice. It's very easy to cook fried rice. There we go. We'll put a little bit of kikkoman sauce. And then a little bit of salt. Alright, and then mix it together, and we'll be back to you in a minute. Cook the egg. There are several ways of cooking eggs. Now this one we're gonna cook sunny side up, but some people they do this only in a very simple way. Cooking is passion and art. When you have the passion of cooking, your artistic mind will work later. So this one we're gonna do some artistic way of frying egg. We're gonna put first the bell pepper. 3 bell peppers over there. And then we'll put the egg in the middle. So you're gonna have a very unique edge because of the bell pepper. It will look yummy and very unique way. There you go. So we're gonna cook this for 30 seconds and it will be done. And I'll be back to you in a few minutes. Now here is our finished product, the Spamsilog. Please like my Facebook page, FILAM CUISINE, and watch for more videos to come. Thank you and have a good day.